In this video, we're going to analyze famous quotes from anime. Today, we're going to look at Naruto's quote from Naruto. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
もういいなと。サスケは俺がやる。お前には火影になるって大切な夢がある。サスケの道連れでお前が潰れること。
仲間一人救えねえ奴が火影になんてなれるかよ。サスケとは俺がやる。
So today's quote is 仲間一人救えねえ奴が火影になんてなれるかよ。Nakama means a friend who shares the same goal or destiny and work together in a group or organization. Hitori means one person. Sukuenee is a rough way to say sukuenai, meaning can't save. Yatsu meaning a fellow or a guy. So 仲間一人救えねぇやつ means a guy who can't save one friend. Ga is a subject marker which is often mixed up with a topic marker wa. There are several rules about ga and wa, but basically ga is used to emphasize what comes before and wa is used to emphasize what comes after. For example, for the sentence Naruto is eating ramen, if you say ナルトがラーメンを食べている it implies the one who is eating ramen is Naruto, not anyone else. So the question for this answer would be 誰がラーメンを食べている On the other hand, if you say ナルトはラーメンを食べている Naruto is just a topic of the sentence and the important part is his action to be eating ramen. So the question for this answer would be ナルトは何をしているHokage literally means fire shadow, which is a word that only exists in the Naruto world. It's the highest class of ninja and often the strongest, representing the Konoha village. A noun plus the target particle ni plus naru means to become something, and the potential form of naru is nareru. So, Hokage ni nareru means can become Hokage. Nante emphasizes the word or sentence which comes before and usually express negative feelings of the speaker, such as disgust, disbelief, belittling, and so on. For example, こんな天気のいい日に家で勉強なんてしたくない。振られた。彼氏なんてもういらない。So, Naruto is saying that there is no point in becoming Hokage if he can't save his friend. This ka is used for a rhetorical question, which is a question that you ask without expecting an answer. It's used to make a point, to persuade, or for literary effect. So Naruto is strongly persuading Kakashi that it's impossible for him to become Hokage without saving his friend by using a rhetorical question. And this yo is simply used to emphasize his opinion and emotion in order to make listeners aware of it. Here are some examples using ka yo. こんなに悲しいことあるかよ。こんなに可愛い犬を捨てるやつがいるかよ。So, 仲間一人救えねえやつが火影になんてなれるかよ means how can a guy who can't save one friend become Hokage? That's all for today. Thanks for watching.